Everyone's talking about AI, but 99% of people have no idea how to actually make money with it. So here are 7 AI tools that can literally make you rich, if you use them right. Number 1. ChatGPT. Not just for writing essays. Use it to build copy, email scripts, YouTube titles, or even digital products. You're not competing with AI. You're using it to multiply yourself. Number 2. Midjourney or Leonardo AI. These tools let you create pro-level graphics and thumbnails fast. People are selling these designs for $50 to $200 each. Number 3. Opus Clip or Pictory. They turn long videos into viral shorts automatically. Perfect for creators or brands that want content without the editing headache. Number 4. Durable.co. It builds entire websites from a single prompt. Freelancers are using it to deliver sites for $500 to $1,000 in hours instead of days. Number 5. Notion plus AI. Organize projects, create templates, or build dashboards to sell on Etsy or Gumroad. Digital products are exploding, and AI does 80% of the work. Number 6. Chatbase or custom GPTs. Create your own AI assistant trained on any topic, and sell access or use it in your business. Number 7. 11 Labs or HeyGen. These tools clone voices and faces for professional quality content. Faceless YouTube channels are built on this tech. You don't need to be a coder or designer anymore. AI is the new leverage. The people who learn how to use it will win big. So don't just watch AI make other people money, use these tools to make your own.